There is sustainable packaging and pharmaceutical company and safety challenges. Listen carefully. In 2025, this year, we have many challenges when we will shift to that is sustainable packaging. The this the problem is that farm, there are many pharmaceutical companies are trying to shift from that is polymeric material to biodegradable materials is different types of that is more sustainable without compromising that is drug safety or regulatory compliance. Medicines are sensitive products that requires high barrier that is in inert that is packaging materials such as plastic, glass and aluminum foil. The primary challenges is to maintain eco-friendly while meeting stringent requirements for the protection, stability, and child safety. Regulatory bodies such as European medicine agencies that is mandate that any changes in packaging must not affect the product quality. This we should always keep in mind. So that is safety first and product quality should intact. Therefore, companies cannot simply switch to a greener material if it is risk interaction with the drug or shorter life period. We will never do this. Though, as the Association of the British Pharmaceutical Industry notes, any changes aimed at improving sustainability must ensure that there is no increased risk to patient safety or product contamination. This is most important. These challenges is significant because pharmaceutical company that is packaging contributes sustainability to medical waste streams. Consumers and policymakers in North America and Europe call for more environmentally friendly solutions. For example, blister pack that combine plastics and foil are challenging to recycle. Recycling is millions of packages being sent to landfill annually. This is a very harmful for the environment, especially aluminum that is PVC, PVDC. Emerging solutions. What are the solutions for that in the this type of biodegradable solutions? Companies are exploring alternate materials such as plant-based plastics, recyclable monomaterial packaging, and reusable packaging system. Many pharmaceutical companies are that is transition to bioplastics or packaging based alternative, replacing petroleum based plastics. One promising solution is that, so listen carefully, monomaterial packaging, which uses a single recyclable polymer instead of layered that is materials. A partnership between a packaging firm, Perlin and Esteems, these two companies in Europe, aims to introduce a polypropylene monoblister pack addressing the demand for an eco-friendly blister that can protect the tablet and also the environment also. It will help. That is, we are responding to a customer request. That is this that we observed also, we have done in Europe and such kind of project in USA also. Existing product is the corporation with esteem enable us to offer a tried and tested fully recyclable solution based on polypropylene from a single that is sources. That is this, the company name is Lars Craft. Another innovation is the use of renewable material in traditional format. For instance, EUPM Biochemicals, this is a companies, Salient and Bormoli Pharma jointly developed the industry's first medicines bottle made from wood-based bio-PET. See the that is latest development. Wood-based renewable plastic. This bottle has the same form and function as a very conventional PET bottle, but has a lower carbon footprint. These are good things. They they invented wood-based bio PET. So this is a new innovation, wood-based bio PET. This is a very good response. So that is there are few solutions I will tell you. While some sustainable packaging solutions are available, may there is there is many of not yet widely implemented. Recycle or bio-based packages are on the market, but each must undergo rigorous approval for pharmaceutical use. For example, bio-based PET bottles are already commercially available, whereas fully composable peel blister packs are still in pilot stage, not yet in the market. For example, that is bio-based PET bottles are already commercially available. Okay, companies must validate that new materials will not interact with the medicines or degrade their protective, that is properties. Moreover, that is switching the new packaging can be costly and require regulatory filings. The key barrier ensures that the latest sustainable material match the performance of traditional packaging. For instance, maintaining moisture oxygen barrier and stability over a drug shelf life. One can easily find innovation in moisture barrier material or oxygen barrier layer through SLAT. Through SLAT. The patient, that is by certain companies, what we worked in USA, discuss a cellulose based multi-layer packaging, an oxygen barrier layer of polyvinyl PVOH, polyvinyl alcohol is attached as the innermost heat soluble layer. A moisture barrier layer is added either between the substrate and the oxygen barrier or other surface substrate. So I already discussed few latest biodegradable packaging materials using in pharmaceutical company, and there are few are in the still in the, that is R&D level. So we have to be very careful. That is a very good news. That is, there are few companies are trying. We are trying also in Boston, in our drug discovery company. There are whether we can how many there is sustainable material we can use for the that is there a very good sign. They are successful also. Hope for the best. Like and subscribe my channel, please. Thank you from Boston.